Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to check your public IP with the help of PowerShell. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, so I will go to my browser and open google.com and type my IP. As you can see, here is my IP address, public IP address. So now what you have to do, you just need to go to your start menu or search menu and you have to type over there PowerShell. And right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. After that, click on Yes, and now you'll get window like this. So after open PowerShell, you just need to go to my video description and copy paste this command. After copy, you have to right click over there and press enter from your keyboard. Now after that, you have to put over there $tmp, then dot, then content. Now press enter and you will get your public IP over there. So as you can see, here's your public IP, which I have already shown you through my browser. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.